Gold Class shops already have access to impactful iCar tools and resources. Now, iCar is adding another benefit exclusive to Gold Class shops, a training subscription. A training subscription provides training for all shop technicians and employees for live, virtual, and online courses. A training subscription helps Gold Class shops manage their training activities and budget more effectively while reducing training costs due to technician turnover. And all of these courses are available to shops on subscription. Pricing includes technicians in a non-structural, structural, estimator, and refinisher role, but the whole shop can take advantage of the training. Subscription also includes shop-level training in electrical diagnostics and mechanical areas, as well as additional training desired for technicians in these roles. Train front-end staff about collision repair basics, or provide cross-training to non-role specific technicians at no additional cost to the shop. Your shop will also gain access to iCar's industry-renowned online repairability technical support portal and the Ask iCar service. The training subscription is available at a monthly or annual price to all current Gold Class shops as part of their commitment to training. iCar's training subscription is designed to provide training to shop employees when they want it, while continuing to build shop bench strength. Go to i-cartraintogain.com for more information on the new training subscription, all part of the Even Better iCar.